Hi there, it's me, Dr. Sapati. I am here to educate you about the different levels of protection offered by Handel Street medical masks and respirators, so you may select the correct product for your application. Do you know when to wear a mask or respirator? Layered prevention strategies, like staying up to date on vaccines and wearing masks, can help prevent severe illness. Handel Street medical masks and respirators present the best fit, protection, and comfort for you. Today we explain the different levels of protection. Get to know the protection level you require so that you are protected. Don't worry, we have got you covered. Different packaging colors represent the different mask protection levels in the Handel Street range of products. Colors and mask names. Number 3. Navy Blue 1A 4-layer medical surgical mask. Number 2. Teal Blue 4AN95 medical surgical respirator. Number 1. Orange HSN95 liquid shield medical surgical respirator FFP2. Low protection. The 1A medical surgical mask is designed for everyday use by health professionals or during low aerosol procedures. Is an ideal option for public use. Medium protection. The 4AN95 medical surgical respirator mask is designed for everyday use by healthcare professionals or during medium to high aerosol procedures. It is an ideal option for individuals whom suspect they are infected. High protection. The HSN95 liquid shield medical surgical respirator mask is designed for everyday use by healthcare professionals or during high aerosol procedures. It is an ideal option for individuals whom are immunocompromised or at high risk. From me, Dr. Sapati, thank you for watching. Contact us on hsmask@handelstreet.co.za for more information.